Imagine stepping into the future of luxury and innovation. What if one SUV could redefine your expectations forever? Today, we unveil a masterpiece that blends bold design, intelligence, and elegance into one breathtaking package. Stay tuned for the all-new Mercedes-Benz GLC-Class 2026. Thank you for clicking this video. It means the world to us. You are not just a viewer, you are part of a journey into automotive excellence. We hope you're having an amazing day. May your dreams be closer today than they were yesterday. Let's explore this beauty together. Wherever you are, know this: you deserve success, luxury, and the thrill of progress. May this video not only entertain, but also inspire you to chase your dreams. Because one day, a car like this might just sit in your driveway. Keep believing, keep driving forward. This is not just another SUV, this is the redesigned Mercedes-Benz GLC-Class 2026, a symbol of sophistication, performance, and future-ready intelligence. Every inch has been reimagined to offer something bold, fresh, and emotionally captivating. Welcome to next-level luxury. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the GLC-Class 2026 speaks power. Its sculpted lines, aggressive new grille, and futuristic LED headlights command attention. The redesigned silhouette is sleeker, bolder, and undeniably modern. This SUV was made to be stared at. Every light tells a story. The sharp LED signature lights redefine night presence. Chrome accents along the edges add a refined touch, while the aerodynamic design maximizes both style and performance. This SUV doesn't follow trends, it creates them. The GLC rides on newly crafted 20-inch alloy wheels, polished to perfection. Their sporty yet refined design perfectly complements the bodywork, giving the SUV a powerful stance. Every rotation is a statement of confidence and capability. Open the door, and you're welcomed into a world of tech and tranquility. The cabin of the GLC Class 2026 is a sanctuary of high-end materials, intuitive design, and digital elegance. This is where comfort meets control in seamless harmony. A stunning widescreen digital cockpit wraps around the driver. Every control is touch-sensitive, responsive, and beautiful. From ambient lighting to wireless charging and a floating touchscreen, everything here is designed to enhance your driving experience. The seats are wrapped in sustainable Nappa leather, with fine stitching and ergonomic perfection. Climate control is tailored to your comfort. Whether you're the driver or a passenger, the GLC makes every journey feel like first class. With an immersive Burmeister sound system, voice assistant integration, and customizable ambient lighting, your drives become personal experiences. Every note, every command, every mood, the GLC adapts to you like no other. Beneath the hood lies a powerful yet efficient turbocharged engine, tuned for both performance and fuel economy. The 2026 GLC also offers hybrid variants, bringing sustainable power with no compromise on thrill. The road is yours to conquer. Equipped with 4MATIC, all-wheel drive, and advanced suspension tuning, the GLC delivers dynamic handling with supreme control. Whether cruising city streets or tackling rough terrain, this SUV responds like a dream with elegance and confidence. Mercedes-Benz sets new standards in safety. From adaptive cruise control to automated emergency braking and AI-powered lane assist, the GLC Class 2026 watches every corner, every lane, every movement, protecting you and your loved ones at every turn. Your smartphone becomes your key. The MBUX system learns your habits, preferences, and voice patterns. With over-the-air updates and real-time navigation, the GLC stays as current as your lifestyle. It's more than connected, it's intuitive. Spaciousness meets smart design. The GLC offers generous cargo space, foldable rear seats, and smart loading features, making it perfect for families, travelers, and dreamers. It's not just about luxury, it's about living. With a starting price that reflects its class, the GLC Class 2026 is available in multiple trims and packages. Whether you seek elegance, sport, or tech innovation, there's a GLC crafted for your lifestyle. Value meets vision in every variant. Since its debut, the GLC has been a pillar in the luxury SUV segment. Trusted, admired, and evolved through years of innovation, the 2026 redesign is not just an update, it's a bold leap into the future, honoring its roots while shaping what's next. If you felt inspired, informed, or simply amazed, give this video a like and hit subscribe. Join our journey as we explore the future of cars and the dreams they represent. Stay passionate, stay driven, and we'll see you in the next video.